iniutos ang pagtiyak na masusunod batas kaugnay sa paggamit ng baril. Inihayag ito na Malacanang kasunod pa rin ng mga mungkahi ng pagpapatupad ng total gun ban. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna. Direktiba ni Pangulong Aquino ang tiyaking nasusunod ang mga batas sa bansa sa paggamit ng baril. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, umiiral ang kautosang ito ng Pangulo habang hindi pa natatalakay sa palasyo ang mga panukalang batas sa paggamit ng baril.
What we're trying to do is to make sure that the present gun laws are implemented or enforced strictly. So that's what we're doing right now. So what we're trying to do is, again, the directive of the President is to make sure that we go through and we make sure that we monitor and regulate the firearms that are out there.
Ayon sa kalihim, pinagsasama-sama na sa ehekutibo ang mga panukala tungkol sa paggamit ng baril.
The different legislative proposals are all there already. They've been filed. They're varied. So some of them would advocate, at least not the legislative proposals, my understanding is that there are some who would advocate gun ban to gun control. So let's wait and see what all these proposals will be.
Ngunit hindi pa masabi ng palasyo kung alin sa gun control o gun ban ang isusulong ni Pangulong Aquino.
We are collating all the proposals from gun ban to gun control. We certainly believe in gun control, but it's too early to say what form the proposals will take.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.